Oh, don't leave me like that. I'm out there.
Oh my God. They didn't. Then he said Queen Ross, he comes out. You ain't got no tartar sauce.
Why you gotta go to my way? I can't see my food and my face. Alright, okay.
She doing her mukbang. I'm gonna screenshot it so she can look it up when she done.
What time? Subscribe?
Mm.
Okay. Hater though.
She didn't wipe off her camera or nothing. Okay.
What y'all know about this? Oh, you don't know.
Hot sauce. Like I've never had it before. Yeah, he said they don't know. Be in the mood with her. Okay. I look a hot mess.
Hater, so that's what make you go live sometimes.
Mm-mm.
I mean, that's what make you go
I
live.
don't want to go viral for looking like a hot mess.
So then you can just,
BG, what was you talking about when you was like, I'm done for the day?
then you can just switch it up. And they be like, oh, okay. She really is cute.
I'm really cute anyway.
Hi, y'all. It's you throwing my mukbang off.
I ain't even in it.
We been hating from the side. I'm eating chicken wings, lemon pepper, and potato wedges.
So ignore me.
And I got a fat grape Kool-Aid.
Can I get some?
Mm-hmm. Fat. What? That's a little to be like, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It'd be the way he pops.
And when he drink, when he drink, he do this. Look.
That's how you know his head is straight. That's how you know his head is straight. Yeah, some grape Kool-Aid. You gotta get some grape Kool-Aid from all the chicken spots. Yeah, because I asked him what did he mean, and he just said, "What's up, Sam?" Can I get some
What?
of your Kool-Aid?
On the sideline begging. I really ain't never watched myself just eat. It's not that attractive. It's not really cute.
What you mean? I watch myself eat all the time.
People can't eat you. You can't really eat you.
The mukbangs, they're really like,
I know.
they say eat rough. No, I'm just
Okay. And smack my nails.
If smacking was a part of it, your man should be doing this with you.
He'll get us 1 million views.
Smacking.
They'll be like, damn. Do he eat like that all the time?
He said, I'm calling corporate Kool-Aid getting ripped off.
No.
Because they say when they have the chicken joint.
No. Look how dumb big it is, though.
It's bigger than my head.
That Kool-Aid was probably $4. I don't even know how much it was. I bet it. Did you drink off my straw? I don't fuck around. I don't fuck around. You didn't really do that. I was gonna let you open up the top.
Yeah, you know I don't like it. You got too much ice in there for me to be opening up the top. You the one who don't like straws. That's a bitch you drink off my straw. And did.
Hey, I wanna know, even your Kick channel, what y'all feel about a man that just killed that man? The police, off-duty police, they just killed that man.
I don't even know what you're doing.
Just killed this man. An off-duty police officer just killed the man. Said he jumped on his car. And he got out the car and shot him, killed him. But he didn't jump in his car. He hit the man. He hit him, got out, and shot him. And this white lady was out there trying to get him. She was out there helping him. While they was sitting around just like discussing it and da-da-da-da-da. His wife sitting in the truck. The white lady is sitting in the truck playing with her hair. While this man down here dying. They didn't have no weapon.
He said,
I'm getting that.
you better not.
Plus, I just like this thing, Bob. You a lie.
Yeah, sometimes I really be wanting to know.
I spilled my lemon pepper. And it was
Mom,
full.
you still got some in there.
I know, but it was full. I was
But no, sometimes I be wanting to know, did you like turn your own, you took your own, I know you took your own route through life because you moved away from home. But like, as far as like what grandma taught you.
What? I live right. So I don't know where we're going with this because.
You just said you finna get that off the table.
I said I'm living right.
I said you're finna get.
So what you saying?
You're about to get that off the table, right?
Yeah.
That.
I just cleaned that table off.
Grandma would say throw that away. Throw that away.
I mean, I still might, but right now I'm thinking I might save it. But yeah, killed that man. Now didn't we just go through this with Ahmad? This man was walking across the street. He hit him, got out and shot him.
Hit him, got out and shot him.
And said he feared for his life.
Is this on CNN?
It was on, I don't know what it's on everything right now.
So it looks like we're going to be protesting again.
They already protesting.
I'm going to be out there with them.
And it's a little small county, little town.
Oh my God.
Okay, they look racist out there. They did too.
You posting this on YouTube?
I'm just talking. I don't know how to edit.
She said, I don't know how to edit.
I'm gonna learn today.
She said,
I'm gonna learn today.
Ooh. Well, I know I'm off from your channel already. It's a whole lot of tea.
Yeah, I talk. This ain't gonna be fake. Don't come over here fake.
You're gonna be spilling tea.
And keeping it real.
Spilling tea and keeping it real.
And eating. And laughing. Might see a gamble or two. But yeah, so yeah.
But no, wait a minute.
So yeah.
So how many people was out there when it happened?
They got witnesses. The woman was the main one that was out there helping him. She said he hit that man. That man didn't have no weapon. And then I was thinking, what am I jumping on your car for? They'd already didn't establish that he didn't even know. They didn't know each other. So this man just out the blue jumped on your car. A moving car. And he ain't go to jail. Why is he still out here free? I'm sick of it.
He didn't go to jail.
Not as of this morning when I was watching it, they still was saying like,
thank you.
They trying to establish was it
an accident?
No, not an accident. That man said he feared for his life, so it couldn't have been no accident. You purposely did it then if you felt fear for your life. So what are we trying to establish? Because the woman already said it, and whoever else was seeing it.
Thank you.
I don't know, but before I start lying on YouTube, I'm gonna go watch it again. But I know he wasn't in jail. I don't know that man didn't know him. And he said he had his wife and kids in the car.
So he did all that in front of his wife and kids.
And they said the white woman said the white woman that was trying to save the black man said she's sitting in the car just twisting her hair while she's trying on the ground trying to save him. Cool. It's only a 10-minute. Yeah.
Yeah, well, I just asked you, where is happening?
I could have put the light on too. They didn't put the light on. Just a.
You want who last minute?
Boy, if this ain't rigged. What? It's a rigged video. But that's how y'all like it. I ain't editing.
Real and uncut.
Real and uncut. We ain't editing nothing.
You got some good lighting though. You ain't get no bad lighting. Could have wiped that camera off.
I could have wiped my camera off. I could. I know y'all like the roast too, so yeah. I wish somebody would though, cause I'm ready. But so yeah.
Mama, where this happened at?
It's a little small. It was a little small. They showed it too, and I was like, "Oh, I told Deshaun, oh, they look racist." It was a little town. Like, yes, I was trying to say, you know how the courthouse looked there in Denver? It was like a street like that. I said, "Oh, it looked racist." They was already out there protesting.
That's some shit.
Yeah.
And you know the small towns don't get that much coverage, so.
But it might, cause them his family members is upset, cause they said ain't no way he was one of them people in the community that helped young black boys try to stay out of trouble, and what they said, what he looked like jumping on a cow. Family man, got a son 15.
That's a shame. And this man ain't in jail.
When you said, and then I seen, did you see where the little boy just shot up the school? Or about no, he ain't shoot up, I'm lying.
No, did you see?
I don't think he shot it, but he brought the clip and all that to school.
Did you see where them people died in that fire?
Yeah.
And it was mainly kids.
Yeah, it was 13 of them in the house, wasn't it? It was actually 2 fires, so I'm getting confused on.
Well,
one of them was a little boy. He started the fire. He was 5.
I don't know. It was one of the fires. 9 people died.
Both of them, it was a lot of people in the house. Cause I seen 2.
No, it was an apartment building.
I seen 2 different ones.
The one I'm talking about is an apartment building. It said 9 people died and like 13 people injured or something.
I mean, I didn't see 2 different ones.
And they said like so many different 19. Oh, he said 19 died.
See, that's what I'm saying.
9 kids, 10 adults. So I said that wrong completely.
9 kids, 10 adults. See, the one I seen said 13 people was in the house and 7 of them was kids. And there was a little boy started the fire trying to light a Christmas tree or something. Playing with matches. Like last week.
No, the one I'm talking about was like yesterday, day before.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
I'm sad. I never went to play with fire as a kid. I don't know. I'm trying to figure out what's the hype.
I did.
Oh, yeah. Like your ass whooped too. Like your ass tapped. You sure did. Started to go on the tree.
I wasn't talking about that.
What you talking about? Got that ass tap.
No. Why? No, I wasn't even getting in trouble if you didn't tell me.
You was about to kill us.
No, I wasn't.
My room was upstairs.
Yeah. I have lit the... No, this is what happened. You know them little fake trees.
Artificial tree.
Whatever.
No
it
plastic.
got hay in it. The little hay sticks was too long. Y'all feel like I was just burning the little hay sticks to make them burn down the way flat.
What?
You know what I'm talking about?
No.
Yes, you do. The little hay that you put in there.
Yeah, but it's fake.
Yeah, and it was some of them was sticking straight up.
Okay.
I was just burning them. The ones that was sticking up high, just burning. I don't know. I was a kid. I was just burning
I
them.
know. I fuck with your ass though.
But basically, more to the story is one of the little hay sticks didn't want to go out with the tissue that I had.
Whole tree was on fire.
It wasn't at first. It was just one. I was doing them one at a time. One of them the flame got too big, and the tissue. I was using some tissue. It wouldn't. The fire wasn't going out. With the
Did you get a whipping? I was supposed to, I really don't remember. I just know I did. I really don't remember.
I got chased around the table and everything that night.
I think you had on that gown.
Everybody got a
Yeah, you had on that gown with that little girl, that 80s gown.
Mm-hmm.
I remember that.
It been like in my room for like a week straight. It was like a little burnt little section. I wasn't talking about that though.
What was you talking about?
I burnt up Papa's thing in the backseat of his truck one time. I ain't gonna look for that though. Grandma's trying to look me. How old are you?
I know you got pop.
Grandma's trying to look me.
They was in the car.
Yeah. He gave me the lighter though. He did. Papa was a bad influence.
No, don't say my daddy.
I'm just saying. I'm not 24. I'm 20.
I think she grown.
And she was looking me at a young age.
What? You was burning up shit at a young age. You gotta start where they start. You gotta pull them whoopings out the bag as soon as the bullshit start. Keep trying. You knew not to do it again, didn't you?
Who says that? Who says that? Fancy
That was good. I had 10 chickens. I got 2 left.
Here, we'll put this on your bag.
Why you, girl, eat that?
I don't want it. And give it to the dog. Just give all of it to him. This is a tartar sauce.
Ugh, that tartar sauce be nasty, them kind. Ugh, we got them at work. Or somewhere, or somebody got them, but they be nasty.
It's just regular tartar sauce.
It don't taste like tartar sauce. It tastes like mayonnaise.
What?
Go.
What? Mayonnaise?
That's a mole. My mole been just itching right here, all around here. Itching, just itch.
You still recording?
Mm-hmm. 18 minutes in. Back y'all.
Didn't you say you was full a long time? You was full at 10 minutes.
I know. I had to get a 20. You know what they say? Your mukbang got to be 20 minutes. I'm doing it every day. Every time I eat something, I just sit there and chat. Chop it up with y'all.
You ain't gonna edit. You ain't gonna edit any of your videos?
I might add a little something. Yeah. It's that Kool-Aid. That's what got me full. What they say about that? Ain't nobody speak on that? What they say?
He said, where was it at?
I can't remember. Look up.
MVG said, ain't no way he jumped on that car.
Yeah, he ain't jumped on that car. What is wrong with these folks? Just making up shit. His cousin got on the news and said, I can't believe y'all saying it. Like my cousin.
Like when he was crazy or something?
Like y'all, he said, I don't like the picture y'all trying to portray of my cousin.
Not for real.
Because everybody don't play that. Just don't be making up shit about me. Well, because I'm dead. Tell her what it was. You should have said, nah, my cousin would have cussed that man out if he still be here. No, I ain't jumped on your motherfucking car. That's what he would have said. Can you cuss on YouTube?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
Zoe,
all my
Zoe
people.
cuss up a storm.
Yeah, but they got big platforms. I'm talking about like.
So what? It don't
Just
matter how
regular.
big a platform is. One person can cuss, everybody can cuss. That's why I feel like if one person can smoke on YouTube, everybody should be able to smoke on YouTube.
Y'all.
Did you just...
I'll be right back.
And she talk about not editing her video. But yeah, y'all, it's crazy. People's just dying every day. These protesters is still, you know what, that's one thing I can say about these protesters. Ever since the George Floyd and Breonna Taylor situation, these protesters really ain't gave up. They have calmed down a lot, which they needed to because life still gotta go on, but they really ain't stopped for real, and I support it. Y'all know I was at their front line. I support it. I can't wait until they start protesting in Louisville again.
You support what?
The protesters.
Yeah, when it's for a good cause and that shit. That's all that shit was for a good cause. I shouldn't even say shit, but I don't smoke cigarettes. I'm gonna smoke this.
Not. What's wrong?
Cause I'm trying to quit smoking.
Give him one of them chickens you ain't finished.
You know, chicken get a bone. I got too much lemon pepper on them. Huh?
He don't need all that.
This ain't. I'm talking about the actual chicken.
No, but that's getting crazy though. And I feel like as protesters, they should be doing. He's like he didn't even want it.
It's like back around.
I feel like the protesters is getting to a point where they've been doing it so long and so consistently. They need to start getting something for it.
What you mean?
And I know it's like you doing it out of the goodness of your heart, but they've been protesting so long. Some of these.
Oh, we've been protesting 400 years.
I'm talking about.
Yeah, but let's keep it real. 400. We tired. I'm tired of the marching and the singing. It's not working. I'm tired. Yeah, I don't know what else to do. Well, I do, but you know.
So let's see how big this hits TV.
It's
If it hits TV big enough.
the what? I wonder when I'm gonna get my popcorn tin. They said a couple days. They said it should be sometime this week. Actually.
Your eyes already peering over here. I see you in class.
I already be hearing your horn in your car pull up, bitch. I got good ears.
Hybrid.
Why was they get a butt thing?
She didn't start eating that
I
yet.
already ate. The buck bag's over. I'm full now. I'm just chopping it up.
Did you just kick him?
I ain't kick him. Get about the way, little bro.
He wasn't in your way.
He was. He circled around me.
He did too.
He's about to circle around what he was doing.
You got your haircut?
There's 2 pieces of chicken in there.
I didn't get my hair cut, but it just laid down.
I
Kinda.
cut it.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Lie and cap,
That's
all
what I
that.
said. Seen. I'm thinking like it's been a minute though. What?
He been having that do-rag on every day.
Yeah.
Like he was still woofing it out.
She can
So, I don't like the Bath and Body Works car scents. You can't smell them.
Sorry.
You only smell it when you take it off the thing. The little piece of thing.
LA Rex is. I don't know what he doing. He can smell it all in his car.
I thought that was
It-
He's supposed to be putting, it's something he gotta be.
I think he pouring it on his rug.
Because it's a
When you
liquid,
get in
ain't it?
his car.
It's strong.
When you get in his car, it make you just want like roll the windows down. What's wrong with you?
Cause he ain't getting that from just putting it in
But
that
he got a
thing.
whole bunch of them in his car though.
Mm.
He got like 3 of them.
Oh, I don't know.
Who's double backing on pancakes? Please.
Look at the other plate over there sitting
I
to
threw
the
it
side.
out. It was
That was
pink.
I
yours.
seen that.
That was
I ate
your
all my rice.
rice
I
and
ate all
your.
my rice.
That was Deshaun's.
That was his. I seen it this morning. I was to look at it. I said, "You ain't supposed to be eating that." I was like, "Is he supposed to eat pizza?" And look at him, emergency room down.
I don't like how you just looked at my time.
You learn from your mistakes, bro.
So yeah, so
In this cup, I know
yeah, I
that's
just
a
decided I'm gonna be buying those again.
I think they smell good.
What you got going on, though?
This it just makes your hands super duper dry.
Is this the hand sanitizer? The hand sanitizer smell good though.
It smells good. That's the car instant I got in there. Don't even smell it. I smelled it the very first day. Not even that whole day. I just smelled it when I first opened it up.
I think you can only smell it when it's hot.
It should have been attached to the vent, not the.
You can put it in the one. You
Mine?
got the one from Bath and Body Works. They go to the vent.
Yeah, because mine's done.
Think you gonna edit Mama's YouTube video?
You gonna show me how to edit? I edit myself for real. I
You do it
could,
on iMovie on your phone.
Hmm.
You do it on your phone on iMovie. Or you just
You gotta download the app.
no, it's already on there. That come on the phone. It's like an editing thing.
We'll take that Kool-Aid right there. It's that Kool-Aid.
Is it in the joint make Kool-Aid?
Somebody made some yesterday, didn't they?
Oh, you saying this is somewhere
That's
else?
from
What you doing? You clingy for it?
But don't drink out that straw. Yeah, see, he knows. See how he took the top
But
off?
I only drink out of straws.
No, you won't be doing that again. Ooh. You can't stop drinking that. Put it
Can't,
down.
it'll be
Put
gone.
it down.
That's that. It's that grape.
Just get your little sip.
That grape is hitting.
You do it.
Give me a little bit. Why you ain't getting those?
Oh, I thought she had got me when she said 2 grape juice. She
Wish I knew that I was going there. I would have definitely put an order in.
I didn't even know you was up.
Then you put on.
I went up. I was like, I hear
What
y'all.
restaurant you want to go to this weekend?
I was thinking somewhere. I don't know. I just want to eat. I don't know. It depends if I got work off tomorrow. I should have. I ain't seen that. What time is it? Oh, I gotta call that lady at 4.
All right, it's been 27 minutes. It's been real.